Hi, my dears. Good morning. How are you all? My dears, do you remember we have heard a story in last class? What was the story? Yes, the name of the story was Helpers, right? My dears, we have seen a postman also in the story, right? Yes, postman came with letters, right? Yes. How the postman is helping us? How the postman is helping us? Yes, he brings us letters and cards. Have you seen a postman? Where does he works? Where does he works? Do you have any idea? Yes, today we are going to learn more about postman and the place he works in. Okay. Let us watch a video now.
Oh, the post office is approaching. Shall we go in for a minute? I need some stamps.
Raju, this is a post office. When people want to send letters, telegrams, parcels, etc., they can send it through the post office. People post letters in post boxes like this one, which are kept at convenient locations. The letters are then collected and reach the post office, after which they are sorted on the basis of their locations. They are then sent to the post office in the destination locations. Postmen there then finally reach them to their actual destinations.
Give me 25 rupees stamps, please.
What are these stamps used for, Mummy?
When we want to send letters by post, we have to affix a stamp of the required amount on the envelope, like on these envelopes here. This is the mechanism by which we pay the post office for their services in reaching our letters.
What else can we send by post apart from letters?
We can also send parcels through the post office. Remember, for your last birthday, your cousin in Delhi had sent you that toy car by a post parcel?
Oh, yes, I remember. That was a great toy. That uncle must be sending a parcel then.
Yes. See, they are weighing the parcel. Usually, heavier the parcel, the more the postal charges.
If I write to my cousin in Delhi, will my letter reach him tomorrow, Mummy?
No, Raju. The postal service will usually take about 3 to 4 days. However, if it is urgent, then there is a facility called speed post, wherein the letter may reach your cousin the next day itself. Of course, this will cost us more.
What is a money order?
It is a way of sending money to people in other places. For example, every month I take a money order for rupees 1000 for my old uncle in our native village. I can pay the money here in the post office and fill in the money order form, which even has place for me to write a small message. This will be transmitted to the post office in our village, which will then send their postman to pay the money and deliver the message to my uncle in his house.
I know our postman Ramdayal Kaka. Why is he not here?
How do you know him?
Well, he brings a school report card home. And then you look gloomy.
Ramdayal must be out delivering letters. Let's go. We are getting late for the airport. Here are some things we see in a post office. This is a post box. Post boxes are kept at various convenient locations across cities and towns so that people can drop in their letters in them. This is a postage stamp. We have to affix a postage stamp of the right value on any envelope that we wish to send by post. Usually, the heavier the envelope, the higher will be the value of the postage stamp required. This is a money order form. We can fill in such a form when we wish to send money to anyone through the postal system. It will be transmitted to the local post office of the person to whom we are sending it, and the postman therein will then deliver it to the concerned person. This is a post parcel. We can send parcels like these by post by booking them at our local post office. This is an inland letter. We can write inside this, address it correctly, and drop it into any post box. It will then be delivered to the concerned person. This is a postcard. This is a very inexpensive and effective means of sending letters to people, as it is cheaper than an inland letter or postal envelope. This is a postal envelope. We can write or print our letters and enclose them in this postal envelope, which can then be dropped into any post box.
My dears, have you seen the video? Yes. What was there in the video? Yes. There was many information about post office, right? Yes. Where does our postman works? Yes, postman works in the post office. How the postman is helping us? Yes, he brings the letters. He gets many services from the post office. Which are they? Do you have any idea? Yes, we can send letters, money orders, parcels, right? We are getting all those things. And if we want to send any letters or cards to our friends or relatives, we will get postcards, stamps, envelopes, everything from the post office, right? Yes. If we want to send any parcels, we can send the parcels through the post office, right? Okay, my dears, do you receive letters or cards? How do they reach us? Yes, postman brings the letters to our home, right? Yes, there are many other people who bring us letters and parcels. They are working in parcel services. Okay, different people do different tasks in the post office. Bringing letters, picking the letters from the post box, and grouping the letters according to the address which they want to be sent. Design stamps and envelopes and sell stamps and envelope. Okay, these all works are done by many people in the post office. Okay, my dears, nowadays we are communicating with the people, those who are far from us, we are communicating through mobile phone or video call or any other facilities, right? In olden days, there was no mobiles, there was no internet at all. So, they were using only letters to communicate. Okay, how we can send letters or how we will get letters? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? No. Okay, ma'am will show you. Okay, first we have to buy envelope and stamps from the post office, and after that we have to paste the stamp on the envelope, and then we have to write the address of the person to whom we are sending the letter. Okay, then we can write the matter inside, and at last we can drop it in the post box. My dears, what is post box? Have you seen any post box anywhere? Have you seen any post box anywhere? No. Okay, ma'am will show you. Okay, a model of a post box. Okay. Yes. This is the model of a post box. Okay. This is the model of a post box. how we can use this post box? I will show you. Okay. See, I am dropping this letter to the post box. To this way. Yes. This is for you all, my dears. This card is for you all. Okay, now I have posted it. It will reach to you. Okay. When you come to the school, it will be there in the school. To my UKG cuties. Okay. So, advanced happy Children's Day. Okay. My dears, I don't know your address. So, I have written our school's address, UK, for you UKG students. Okay, you all will get, when you come to school, you will get from the school. Okay. But my dears, how it will reach it in the school? Yes, our postman will come on a fixed time basis. After that, he will collect all the letters from this box. Okay. How will he put like this? No. Here, there will be a lock. He will open it. Yes, here there is a door. See? Yes. Then postman, where is the letter? Where is the letter? Ah, yes. Then postman can take through this, the letters which I have pushed. Yes, see? Postman will get like this. Okay. Then he will take it to the post office. He will take it to the post office. Okay. After that, it will send to the address which is given in the letter. Okay. Then it will reach slowly in our school. Then when you come to the school, you will get it. Okay, my dears. The parcel which we are sending also getting or reaching to us in the same way. Okay. Now you have to take your scrapbook and draw a picture of post box. Okay. Picture, what is the color of the post box? Yes, red here, full red, here black. Okay, you have to draw the picture of a post box. Okay. Then after that, let us learn the spelling of two words. We have learned many more words today, right? More words. More words means helpers. Who all are there? Yes, newspaper boy, milkman, postman, junkman, driver, like that many words. And post box, letters, cards, envelopes. We have here many words, right? Today we can learn some words from that. Okay, we can learn the spelling of milkman and postman, and also one word, letters. Okay. Okay, my dears, what is the spelling of milkman? Yes, M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Milkman. Very good. Tell once again. Yes, M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Very good. Then, next word. Yes, postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. Very good. Then, letters. Letter. Letter enough. Okay. Letter. Yes. L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. Once again, milkman. Read the say the spelling of milkman. Yes. M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Next, postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. Very good. Then, next word. What was the next word? Letter. L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. Very good. Letter. So, my dears, how to write in your EVS notebook and study the spellings also. Okay. My dears, it's time to wind up. We can see you on next class. Bye-bye.